The 2025 Toyota Auris emerges as a compelling choice in the compact hatchback segment, blending modern aesthetics with advanced features to cater to discerning drivers. Priced at PKR 15,600,000 in Pakistan, the Auris offers a harmonious balance of style, comfort, and technology. Exterior design. The 2025 Auris showcases a sleek and aerodynamic profile, characterized by clean lines and a bold front fascia. The integration of LED projector headlights not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of sophistication to its appearance. Available in a palette of contemporary colors including pure white, sterling silver, eclipse black, and juniper blue, the Auris allows owners to express their personal style. Interior comfort and features. Stepping inside the Auris reveals a spacious cabin designed with both driver and passengers in mind. The dual-zone climate control system ensures personalized comfort, allowing occupants to set their preferred temperatures independently. Ambient LED lighting creates a serene atmosphere, enhancing the overall driving experience. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity facilitates seamless integration of devices, enabling hands-free communication and audio streaming. Safety and driver assistance. Safety remains a paramount focus in the 2025 Auris. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of airbags including dual front, driver knee, and curtain airbags, the vehicle offers enhanced protection for all occupants. Advanced safety features such as lane departure alert and automatic high beam assist the driver in maintaining optimal control and awareness on the road. Additionally, the vehicle stability control system ensures improved handling and stability across various driving conditions. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the Auris is powered by a 1.8-liter hybrid engine that delivers a commendable 140 horsepower and 142 Newton-meters of torque. This powertrain is paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The hybrid system not only provides robust performance but also emphasizes fuel efficiency, achieving an impressive mileage of 16 to 18 km/l. With a fuel tank capacity of 43 liters, drivers can expect extended journeys with fewer refueling stops. Dimensions and practicality. Measuring 4,370 mm in length, 1,790 mm in width, and 1,460 mm in height, the Auris strikes a balance between compact maneuverability and interior spaciousness. The wheelbase of 2,640 mm contributes to stable handling and a comfortable ride. With a boot space of 361 liters, the Auris offers ample cargo capacity for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. The Auris comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system that serves as the central hub for entertainment and navigation. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for hands-free calls and wireless audio streaming. The intuitive interface ensures that drivers can access essential functions with minimal distraction, enhancing both convenience and safety.